If you've ever struggled with energy crashes, mood swings, or stubborn weight gain, your hormones could be out of balance. And guess what? Your diet plays a massive role in this. Today, we're diving into how the carnivore diet affects your hormones, both the good and the bad, so you know what to expect. Number one, insulin and blood sugar. Let's talk about insulin. Insulin is a hormone that controls your blood sugar. If you're eating a high carb diet, you're constantly spiking insulin, which can lead to insulin resistance, meaning your body stores more fat and craves more sugar. When you go carnivore, you cut out almost all carbs, leading to lower and more stable insulin levels. This can help with fat loss, improved energy, and even reversing type 2 diabetes in some cases. Remember, lower insulin equals fat burning mode. Next up, testosterone and growth hormone. Whether you're a man or a woman, testosterone is crucial for energy, muscle tone, and fat loss. The good news? The high fat, high protein nature of the carnivore diet gives your body the raw materials like cholesterol to make more testosterone naturally. At the same time, insulin resistance and high carb diets can lower testosterone and growth hormone. So, by ditching the carbs, many people experience increased strength, better workouts, and even a higher sex drive. Remember, more steak equals more testosterone and growth hormone. Next, cortisol and stress hormones. If you've been on a carb heavy diet, your blood sugar is like a roller coaster, up, down, up, down. And guess what? That signals stress to your body, increasing cortisol. Switching to carnivore stabilizes blood sugar, which can actually lower stress hormones over time. However, some people experience an initial cortisol spike when first transitioning. This is because your body is adapting to burning fat for fuel instead of carbs and glucose. But once adapted, you may feel calmer and in more control. Remember, stable blood sugar equals less stress and lower cortisol. And finally, thyroid and metabolism. What about your thyroid? It's important. The thyroid controls metabolism, and some people worry that cutting carbs might slow it down. But here's the truth. While going ultra low carb can lower thyroid hormones slightly, it doesn't necessarily mean your metabolism is slowing down. For many, the anti inflammatory effects of carnivore actually help thyroid function, reducing autoimmune flare ups like Hashimoto's. But if you feel sluggish over time, adding some targeted carbs like honey or organic dairy may help balance things out. So, does the carnivore diet affect your hormones? Absolutely. Lower insulin, higher testosterone, boosted growth hormone, balanced cortisol, and a possible thyroid adjustment. But remember, everyone's body is different. The key is listening to how you feel on any diet. If you're thinking about going carnivore, drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest question is. And if you want more tips on optimizing your health, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. See you for the next one.